Okay. We're back. I bought an engine support bar so that we can get the cherry picker out. Let's get these out first. I don't really have all day to work on this. I got work at 5. It is 1 o'clock. I want to see if I can get the clutch plate off today. I bought one of these. This thing's really cool, actually. Kind of cool bunch. Very cool. Well, at least I figured it out. They're 9mm bolts because this is an 8mm and it doesn't fit, and the 10mm is too big. So they're 9mm bolts like this. Bro, everything's a 10. 10. Everything's 10, man. I just need a 9. One 9mm fucking whatever this is. There's a 6. Here's an 8. 12. Go look for this socket or wrench or something in here. Found 2 9mm sockets. Couldn't find any 9mm wrenches. I don't really want to go to Harbor Freight again today. Yeah, they're just too big for 9mm sockets. Need to take a quick intermission to go to the fucking store to get some 9mm wrenches. I don't know if you can see them, but there's turkeys out there. There's also my kitty out there. He's watching the molehill. He's waiting for the mole. Got a Sprite. I really hope this 9mm works. Works. It's the right side. I'm going to put the engine support bar on. I need to get the starter to be okay. I think that's good. jacked up by something. I'm not sure what yet. I could maybe jack it up right here. It's not exactly safe or ideal, but I don't really have anywhere else to jack it up. Just enough to get the engine supported so I can switch out the cherry picker for the engine support bar. Why is there so much fucking shit on the ground, dude? Probably not safe. Okay. It actually works pretty well, but I gotta work fast. Trust this, but we're gonna try and let it down real slow. Do I trust that bolt? Not particularly. I kind of have to trust it. Engine support bar. I don't really trust this chain link, but I mean, that's what I have for now. So that's on. I'm gonna move the cherry picker out of the way. And that brake fluid leak is still dropping, but oh well. How am I gonna do this? I'm kind of scared doing this because the engine's being held up by a really sketchily placed engine support bar. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Well, I got this one. Okay. So what we're gonna do is try and stick that in here. Yep. There we go. Yeah. Okay. All right. Ready? Come on. Yep. The guy said these were supposed to be 13 millimeters. He was lying. Okay. Because I'm getting clutch all over me. It's probably not good for the body. Oh, come on. This is the one that really didn't want to come. There we go. Oh, come on. That's all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 off. I'm gonna pry it off, I think. This one, like, there we go. Holy shit. This thing is so nasty. Oh my god, I'm getting clutch everywhere. Why is it so fucking stuck? Okay. Oh my god. Well, there's clutch. Come on, pressure plate. You piece of shit. Holy fuck. Woo! Fairly certain clutch is corrosive and not good for the lungs, but it's all over my lungs now, so. Wow. Okay. Well. Shit. Made myself bleed. I'll have to come in with a towel and clean this all up before I put the new clutch on. I really need a shower, so I need to go. So I can shower before I gotta go to work. I am nasty. But everything's on exactly how it needs to be. Nice. Alright. Well, shit. That's the end of this part.